Hi everyone, Loaded Forex here. Today I'm going to share some tips that will help you to scale up your trading skill to higher level. Only a scammer will tell you you can make millions in a month as a Forex beginner. Yes, it is possible to make millions in a month as a Forex beginner, but the question is, can you make the millions consistently for a long time in the market? Forex is a journey. It is a process you need to exercise patience to grow and acquire the right informations to succeed in the industry. Every successful trader you see out there has gone through difficult times at the beginning of their trading career before they get to the top. You can't compare your 3-month trading experience with someone with over 5 years trading experience. If you want to go far in this forex industry, you have to exercise patience. You have to enjoy the process. If you want to increase your success rate, you must increase your failure rate. Losses are part of the game in the forex. No matter how good you are, no matter how good your strategy is, losses are inevitable. You can't escape it. You must learn how to accept losses. You must learn how to accept when you are wrong in the market. Market has the final say. There are 3 phases in the forex journey: the learning phase, the losing phase, and the earning phase. The learning phase is a journey whereby you need someone to mentor you, whereby you need someone to show you the right information you need to succeed in the forex industry. The losing phase is the psychology phase. How can you manage your emotion when losses arise? That is why you need somebody who is already at the stage you are aiming to get to guide you, to share his own experience, so that you too will not expose your trading capital to higher or to bigger risk in the market. It is a must you must lose in the market because market has the final say. The earning phase is a phase that depends on the amount of effort you put in the game. If you are lazy in the forest, you can't earn big in the market. If you want to earn big in the market, you have to put a lot of work hours in the game. All these things are very, very important in the market. These are the phases that you can't escape in the market. Don't let anybody deceive you. Don't let anybody tell you you can make it in the forest within 3 months. It's not possible. It takes years. It takes patience to grow, to succeed in the forest. I hope this information is helpful to my viewers. Please don't forget to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel so that YouTube can notify you when I upload useful video content. See you next time, guys.